question number 1. So question number 1 wants us to write and solve the equation in a context, okay? So the question says, Myla buys cookies and oranges at the store. She pays a total of $22.39. She pays a total of $6.58 for the cookies, and she buys 3 bags of oranges that cost the same. Write and solve the equation which can be used to determine X, which is the amount, or rather, which is how much each bag of oranges costs. Okay? So whenever you're trying to write an equation, when you have some total, some amount that's either changing over some period of time or being a constant cost, okay, and some starting amount, you need to always represent it in the form y equal mx plus b or y equal ax plus b, all right, where we know that y represents your total value, m represents your slope, and b is your y-intercept, all right? So always try to remember some of the key words for slope and y-intercept. So some of the key words are per, each, every, rate, same, all right, and so forth. Keywords for y-intercept are initial, start, okay, begin, flat, base, original, all right? So those are some keywords for y-intercept, okay? So what we're going to do is that we're going to make an equation where we have sum total equal something x something, okay? So when we're trying to look at this, what do you think represents your total? Yup, the 22.39. Why the 6.58 was not the total? Because it says total right here. Well, because the 22.39 is the largest number. All right? What do you think represents your slope? Yup, the 3. Because it's saying that you're paying 3, you're trying to get by 3 bags, and they each cost the same. All right? And then your y-intercept is the 6.58. Okay? So all I gotta do now, guys, is solve this, okay? So to solve this, again, this is my equation. So my equation is 22.39 equal 3x plus 6.58, okay? So now we're gonna solve our equation. So to solve our equation, we always move our constant to the other side first, so the number that's not attached to the x. So to move a positive 6.58 to the other side, we subtract 6.58. Subtract 6.58. That will get canceled, and now we have 3x is equal to 22.39 minus 6.58 is 15.81. All right? So now I will try to break up this attachment, get rid of that multiply by dividing by 3, dividing by 3. So my x is equal to 15.81 divided by 3 is 5.27. So it costs $5.27 for each bag of orange. So let's try the next question. So the next question says, Mackenzie has a points card for a movie theater. She receives 55 reward points just for signing up. She earns 2.5 points for each visit to the movie theater. She needs 70 points for a free movie ticket. Write and solve the equation which can be used to determine X, which is the number of visits she must make to earn a free movie. So our aim, or rather our total, is that we want to get all the points necessary for a free movie. Okay? So again, we're representing it in the form y equal, mx plus b. Y is your total, m is your slope, and b is your y-intercept. All right? So again, we're going to have sum total equals something. They said to use the variable x and then something. Okay? So what do you think represents your total? Yup, the 70 points, okay? Because that's the total amount of points I need to make so that I can get a free movie ticket, okay? What do you think represents your slope? Yup, the 2.5, because that is what you're paying for each visit to the movie theater, all right? So again, you get 2.5 points for every visit. So again, that for each makes me realize that that's my slope, okay? And then your y-intercept is the 55 because that is what you are starting with. So again, your y-intercept is that 55 because that is what you're signing up for or starting with, okay? So plus 55. So that's my equation, okay? So all I gotta do now is solve my equation. So to solve it, we always move the number that's not attached to our x. So I'm gonna subtract 55 on both sides of our equations. That gets canceled, and then I have 2.5x is equal to 70 minus 55 is 15. Now I'll break up the attachment by dividing, break up that multiply by dividing, and 15 divided by 2.5 will give me 6, all right? So it would take me 6 visits to the movie theater so that I can earn a free movie ticket. So again, just like that.